How to buy Polygon coin or MATIC on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy Polygon coin, or also known as MATIC on Trust Wallet app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy the Polygon coin or MATIC on Trust Wallet app, open up the Trust Wallet app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Then right there you'll find the buy option, so tap on that buy option. Now over here, instead of typing in Polygon coin, just type in MATIC and you'll actually find them prop up at the very top, so you can simply select that MATIC option. Now you can select for how much dollars you want to buy. So if I want to buy for $150, or let's say $1,500, this is the amount of MATIC that I'm going to get. And at the same time, I can simply choose a payment method, tap on the buy option, and then choose to buy it. And this way you'll be able to buy Polygon coin or MATIC on Trust Wallet app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.